Winston reporting. Born beneath the stars on a lunar base, dreaming of the wonders hidden out in space. Books and telescopes beside me every night, searching for the meaning in the distant lights. Dr. Winston taught me how to understand that science and compassion walk hand in hand. But when the colony collapsed in fear and rage, I escaped to Earth and turned another page. Let's get this mission started. Hope survives when brave hearts guard it. I built inventions meant to help us rise, not divide us through the endless fights. I'm not a monkey, I'm a scientist, searching for a future brighter than this. I'm not a monkey, I'm a scientist, protecting every world that still exists. Barrier activated, standing strong when danger escalated. I'm not a monkey, I'm a scientist, and a better world is possible today. Overwatch became the dream I chose to keep. Heroes fighting for the helpless and the weak. Tracer laughing while we raced against the night, trying to protect the future with all our might. No monkey business, every calculation made with purpose in this. I know we'll do it together, even through the stormiest weather. Some days I still feel awkward in the crowd, too many thoughts spinning way too loud. But courage is believing there is still a way to make tomorrow brighter than today. I'm not a monkey, I'm a scientist, searching for a future brighter than this. I'm not a monkey, I'm a scientist, protecting every world that still exists. Barrier activated, standing strong when danger escalated. I'm not a monkey, I'm a scientist, and a better world is possible today. Did someone say peanut butter? Well, that certainly improves the weather. Appreciated. Kindness keeps the mission elevated. Sometimes rage begins to shake my soul. Primal instincts fighting for control. But every hero must decide what they defend, and I will fight for hope until the end. Where were we? Yes, humanity's possibility. The stars ahead are waiting to be known.